one off and blew up on the ground.
Oh my god, I haven't even touched those boxes yet. I'm trying to get fuses here, but
fuck, dude. We're still full.
ah, fuck. Watch out. Wow. Nice timing. Hey, that was some good timing right there.
We practiced on that one.
That one coming. That was weird.
That was awesome. That's my new favorite.
Who's got some of those Roman candles? Right here.
You want some?
I got that pipe. No, right here. Give me one. Shoot them out of that pipe.
No, Roman candles.
Roman candles are in the front seat.
Whoa.
Yeah. No respect. No, you're smoking next to the.
Oh, that's great.
You're unplugging the fucking lights, man.
Hey, wait, get your cigarette on camera here. Scott, turn around. Just smoking while he's opening up.
You can't see it. It's dark, but.
Lit, still going off. Okay. Here's one that's lit.
That was cool. Oh, fuck. That thing's cool.
Drop that one.
What the f***?
Awesome. Good Lord. Group second right there.
That's into this right there. We'll have a tow.
Yeah, right? You got a full tank of gas, I hope, Scott. Line it up.
This shit is crazy.